Argentina, Clil 5. The capital of Argentina is Buenos Aires. BA, or Buenos Aires, is known as the Paris of Latin America because it is like a European city. The streets are lined with trees. Here we are. There are cafes everywhere. The cost of living is lower than in Europe. Argentina is famous for its food, especially for its beef. There are more therapists here per capita than any other country except Austria. Gay marriage is legal, but abortions are still illegal. The health service is free for everyone, including illegal immigrants. Most people do not dance the tango or eat steaks except on public holidays. The ice cream is the best outside of Italy. Argentina is known for the tango and other dances like samba, chameme, and chacarera. The tango is really an artistic expression. In the local parillas or parrillas, Argentine grills, you will find people of every age in what looks like a medieval feast with slabs of beef and lamb and glasses of wine. The Gauchos. The Gauchos are indigenous cowboys. They dress in leather and silver with a flat hat and a flat saddle. They have a mate gourd and a lariat. Yerba mate is a herbal mixture made like tea with boiling water. The mate liquid is sucked up through a metal straw here. Education. It is free. It is free in primary, secondary, and tertiary education. So every university graduate does not have debts when he or she finishes university. The standards at university are very high. The government give out free laptops too. Lifestyles. The people are very friendly, The people are very friendly, just casually drop by your friends. Life in Argentina is very informal. Violence towards women. The death of a pregnant 14-year-old who was found dead after being buried alive by her boyfriend has sparked a wave of protests against violence towards women. Chiara Perez's body, this is her, was found in her boyfriend's back garden 3 days after she was reported missing. Chiara had been 8 weeks pregnant when she was beaten and buried under a patio. In 2015, an estimated 235 Argentine women were victims of femicide, defined as the murder of a woman because of her sex. The Dirty War. Between 1976 and 1983, a military junta ruled Argentina. The regime practiced indiscriminate violence, persecution, torture, kidnapping, theft of babies born in captivity, and the disappearance and murder of an estimated 30,000 people. The mothers of Plaza de Mayo still demand to know what happened to their sons and daughters. They march every Thursday opposite the House of Government in Plaza de Mayo. They wear cloth diapers, nappies on their heads to symbolize their lost children. In death flights, many desaparecidos were pushed out of planes over the Atlantic Ocean. The women prisoners were raped regularly by their guards. Pregnant women gave birth in prison and their children were given to sympathizers of the junta. These adopted children often did not know their parents were not their birth parents. Some grandchildren have been reunited with their real parents. Villa Miseria or shanty towns. There are many shanty towns near the big cities. Food. Argentinians do not have breakfast, they just have coffee with milk and a small pastry. Lunch is the main meal of the day. Dinner is a smaller meal eaten around 8 o'clock or later. Sports. Football, horseback riding, basketball, volleyball and hockey. Teen life. Almost every Argentinian teen goes to school. Boys usually play soccer, but others play basketball, volleyball or hockey. Like most teens, they like to hang out with friends. They go to Starbucks, the park and other places. Malvinas Day. This is to celebrate the soldiers who died in the Malvinas War. People perform dramatic scenes from the war and have parties. At the parties, people usually eat empanadas, dulce de leche, galeta suiza, croissant and drink coffee and tea. Empanadas are small pies filled with meat, vegetables or cheese. Provaleta is a block of fried cheese. St. Martin's Day. This is to celebrate the anniversary of St. Martin's death. He is famous because he gained independence from Spain. The holiday is celebrated with wine, loud music and dancing. Bye.